Ever feel like your tasks multiply every time you blink? Do you need a way to keep track of them? Then I have just the thing for you. Today, we're diving into arrays, the data structure that's basically a never-ending to-do list. We'll learn how to store the items, add and remove them, and even loop through them with cool methods like map, filter, and forEach. And finally, we'll build a to-do list with nothing but JavaScript. It might even talk back. You've been warned. Now without all that fancy talk, what is an array? It's basically a container for a list of things. Each item is stored in a specific index starting at 0, like always because no sane programming language starts at 1. Arrays are also flexible. You can push new items in, pop them out, loop through them, and transform them. Let's make this list do stuff. So how can you interact with any array? You've got a set of basic methods that let you do just that. You can add or remove things from the end of an array. To add, is we'll add my YouTube video to the end of the array. To remove the last item, use pop. It always removes the last element, so you can choose which one to remove. The fun part, you can even store the element you just popped. You can also add and remove elements from the start of the array. And just like pop, shift also lets you store the value you just removed. Now you might be asking, why can't I just remove what I want where I want? Well, you can, but you need to combine two things. First, find the index of the element you want to remove, then use splice to remove it. Splice lets you slice parts of an array by index. So instead of chopping out a chunk, you can just remove one element by specifying the index and the number of elements to delete. Pro tip, if you add another argument, splice can actually replace an element. Now that you can add and remove, let's get more ambitious. Ever wanted to loop with a method, a dream, and an arrow function? Just call forEach, and they've got just that. You can also use map. No, not the Dora the Explorer one, the JavaScript one. This one's a nastier. It lets you transform each item in the array, like turning every task into uppercase. Another one I love is filter. With this you can, well, filter. Use an arrow function that returns a boolean. If it returns true, the item stays. If it's false, it's gone. So you can filter tasks that include code or start with do, or contain exactly 4 words. Go wild. And here's something important. Map and filter are non-destructive. They don't change the original array. If you want the result to be permanent, you have to reassign. With map and filter, the sky is the limit. Now, to tie it all together, let's build a tiny console-based to-do list. Here's the plan. All methods should log the result of their operation. We'll add tasks, remove the last one, display all tasks in a formatted list, 1 per line, and filter tasks that contain a specific word. Try making this yourself first. Pause the video. I'll wait. Did you try? No worries if not, here's how I did it. And just like that, you can create, remove, and filter tasks. Your challenge: create a removeTask index function that deletes a task from any position in the array. Hint: use splice. Bonus points if you don't break the whole list. Today, we built a simple to-do manager using arrays and some of the most powerful array methods in JavaScript. You learned how to push, pop, shift, and unshift. Well, saying all those back-to-back feels weird, but hey, we also used map, filter, and forEach, like pros. Try customizing this to-do list. Add due dates. Add priority levels. Make it yell at you when you procrastinate. I'll see you in the next dimension.